Morning guys, August 8th, 2026. They got a call for no AC. Guy just come out of the hospital and he's got no AC, so sounds like it might be on his second floor where there's an issue. Saturday, he wants me to go by there today, so we're out and about. We'll go by and make the do-re-mi. Do-re-mi-fa-so. Do-re-mi-fa-so. Anyway, people have been complaining about power. It's coming on and off quite a bit lately. Lydia just left her house. She said the power went on and off 4 times, like right in a row. So she had a problem with the breaker. I had a hard time resetting the breaker over there. She's got to get an electrician over there to change that breaker out. But I got her unit, the other lady, I got her unit running. But this guy, I don't know what the deal is with him. I guess he just got out of the hospital. He can't even go down and check the unit and see if the breaker's tripped, or could be a capacitor. We'll figure it out. Fan's blowing the wrong way. Compressor's running. Compressor's not running. So hopefully it's a capacitor or something stupid. Hopefully. It's a Goodman. I had to shut the first floor one and turn the second floor one on, which is this one. We'll find out why it's not working. This is the one we're dealing with now. Not to stop a Goodman, Mama. Not to stop a Goodman. Probably a capacitor. The wires are all connected. The wires are connected.
Is that in your way? You want to cut something there?
I don't think the compressor's starting. What do we got for a capacitor there? 45.5. Let's check the capacitor. Maybe that's it. Don't sound like the compressor's running.
No. The fan was running upstairs.
What is it?
The fan upstairs was running?
Yeah. I'm losing my hearing.
Oh.
That's all I lose, I'm good, right?
That's right.
Let me check this. Hopefully this is the capacitor's bad. Yep, capacitor's bad. So that's good news, okay?
It is? Okay.
Let me put a new one on there and let's see if it starts, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
The capacitor helps the unit to run. Without that,
It doesn't run.
the compressor won't start.
Oh,
It's single phase, and the capacitor, what it does is electricity goes in and out of the capacitor to help it to start. Because it's single phase. If that thing's not working right, there's no place for the electricity to go properly, it won't start.
Okay.
So I'm going to change that first, and then we'll see if it starts.
Okay. And let me ask you just a quick question. The power's been going off and on, and then the generator's been kicking in. Does that have anything to do with it? Could that screw something up with it?
Anything's possible.
Okay. I
But
didn't know if that might
it's
have been-
mechanical. These things break all the time.
Okay.
Let me change the part that's bad, and then we'll try it.
Okay.
And hopefully,
Perfect. Yeah, it's
hopefully it works. It is hot. It's hot up there. We'll get the AC running for you. Guys, 45.5. I should have one in here. He needs AC. The guy just come out of the hospital. He's running low on them 45.5 ones, I'll tell you. $45.5. I gotta get some more of these fuckers. That's the second one today I'm using. I got more here. I got 2 more here. Oh. Nobody likes my sense of humor. I'll try it. Can you guys see the capacitor? That capacitor's bad. We gotta change it. I don't see any little wires burnt. We know that capacitor is definitely bad. So I just checked it. So let's change it. Gotta be careful because the contactor's still energized. So I don't wanna hit this on the contactor because this could be an issue. And put the other capacitor in there. Same thing, 45.5. This one's a little. Put right on at 45.5 so you can see it. This is kind of in a bad spot here. 45-5. Alright. Alright. The yellow one is the Herm. That's got the three prongs is the Herm. Hermetic. Then we got the fan, which is the 2 prongs. The fan is the 2 prongs. And the other 2 are the common. And the other 2 are the 4 prong. One goes to the fan, and one comes off the contactor to feed the other side of the 220 going through the capacitor. Okay, now that should work. Hopefully, we'll see before we stop a Goodman. Nice and hot. nice and sweaty, Mama. It's fine. Oil's not crazy dirty. I have to stop at Goodman. Alright guys, we just left that job. That capacitor, what that does is, that's a single phase unit. So the single phase unit, you need a capacitor. And what that actually does is electricity goes in and out of that capacitor because it's single phase. If it was three phase, you wouldn't need the capacitor because there's room for the electricity in the three phase to go into the other phases. But at single phase, you need that capacitor for somewhere for that electricity to go in and out so it can start. You know, a lot of people say it holds a charge, helps it start, but really that's how it works. It's a pathway for the electricity to, it's a pathway for the electricity to go in and out, if you want to get technical about it. So the capacitor was bad, and so, you know, the thing's trying to start and there's no place for the electricity to go in and out, and it doesn't start. So, you want to get anal about it. Anyway, she got round thermostats and she's over there up and down with the flipping thermostats. I had to shut the breaker off outside and let the compressor reset before it would start again. She's over there playing musical thermostats on me while I'm out working on the flipping unit. And it's got a round T87F thermostat. You can't do that. That doesn't have a delay on a thermostat. You understand? So that's it. She should be good to go. She paid me, and something like that's, you know, change a capacitor, like a couple $100. It was like $250 on a Saturday. Change a capacitor, something like that. Well, nothing crazy. I got AC. He just got out of the hospital. He was in ICU and he can't move. He's in the bed sweating his ass off up there. He wanted me to come fix his AC for him because he's on the second floor, I guess.